Same school head engineer Sir Ruel Mersa, the dedicated faculties and staff of Luis National High School, the ever-supportive GPTA President, Honorable Vice Mayor Gilbert Hermoso, to our junior and senior peers, and to our esteemed guests, a warm and pleasant evening to all. Today, on this remarkable 31st day of May 2024, we gather for the unforgettable milestone of our high school journey, the graduation ball. After 6 eventful years at our beloved alma mater, Luis National High School, our student chapter here is drawing to a close. We find ourselves at the bittersweet moment of bidding goodbye to senior high school. The Launicians entrusted me with the role of SSLG President, a responsibility I carried with a pride. It is with great honor and privilege that I entrust you this symbolic key of responsibility. We have fulfilled our duties, and now it is your turn to do yours. I pass on this key of responsibility to you, representing the tasks and roles bestowed upon you as incoming grade 12 students. Uphold the reputation of our school, keep the flame alive, and strive for excellence to bring honor to our alma mater. This key signifies endless opportunities awaiting you. Open the doors to a bright future. Seize every chance that comes your way. With this key, we impart you to the skills to learn, the drive to succeed, and the creativity to make a difference. May all your aspirations come to life. God bless.
On behalf of the incoming grade 12 students, we wholeheartedly and humbly accept the key of responsibility that you entrusted to us. We promise to do the best of our ability and to set ourselves examples worthy of emulation. We know that this key bears the weight of tasks. We will accept it and carry its weight and go on with the journey. You knew and entrusted because we are willing and able to continue the cycle of work that you are going to let behind. Rest assured that we will continue your unfinished task as you sail to discover a new world.
As we accept this key does not mean that you turned your back towards the school. It only marks the beginning of your greater responsibility towards our alma mater as well as the community. The legacy that you will leave in our school and in our life, and the values that you showed will continue. Because the next time that we pass these responsibilities, we will remind the next grade 12 students how you took care and handled everything here in our institution. Thank you very much.
Alright, so thank you, young leaders. Okay, so photo opportunity together with your Okay, so may I request all the former SSLG. Okay, napupunta po dito sa harap. School year 2023.